Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Chloe. How y'all doing today? I'm doing okay. So, today I'm going to be testing out 3 of my slimes. First slime is from Slime Time. Second slime, someone made at my house. Second time, someone made it and gave it to me. So first, I'm going to be testing out the biggest slime I have. This slime is like really kind of sticky. There's glitter in here and foam beads. Well, how was school? My school day was fun, I guess. No, how was yesterday's? And why I say yesterday's because mine was hectic on an afternoon. So yeah, on the bus. Very hectic. We're just playing with this slime. This slime. This. Slime. Okay, roll again. Again. And you grab a bigger piece. I just sat there looking at it. Okay, so this slime is like kind of sticky. Give it a. Is this slime? Yes. So I got it. I give it a 5 out of 10. Kind of like very, very sticky. Sorry, I'm watching someone play on an Xbox. I play Call of Duty on an Xbox, though. So, should I do a story while I'm playing with this slime? I don't know. Should I? I don't know. Guys, tell me if you want me to do like story times because like I don't know what I want. Like if I should. I don't really got stories though. This slime's sticking to my hand. Okay, shall we do a story time about... I don't know. My first video. Let's talk about that video. Okay, so my first ever video. If you didn't see it, go back and watch it. I think it was my house review. Because I watched it yesterday. Yeah, so it was my house review. So, all that stuff in the middle, like, of the fireplace was actually because, like, my nana just died when I was making that, and it was going to be our house, and it is my house. So, yeah. And then that's all the story time because I don't know any of those stories. Oh my goodness. I just keep playing with this slime because I'm trying to get it, like, off my hand. Like, it's either sticking to one or the other or both. Did I read this? Yes, okay.
Dang it.
Oh. Holy zombies.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna die.
What flower are you?
They're walking to the chimney, and I have to keep them away from the chimney, or they're gonna get inside and eat your brains.
Oh, okay.
So I gotta use the plants to keep them away.
Oh.
I died.
But did one get to the chimney?
Yeah, the one on the tractor. I wasn't fast enough.
Oh.
I don't know why the volume is turned down.
I don't know.
I told you. You told me what?
So I step back on this.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Okay, so it got off my hands. So here comes this way. Next slime is gonna be fun slime time because, like, I want to get this slime done and over with. Done and over with. What? Guys, it's like not slime. Wheeling, look at this slime. This is the slime from Slime Time from the Lehigh Valley Mall. Look at this. Okay, alrighty. 0 out of 10. This slime that somebody made. I know. Okay, this one I can play with. Like, it's kind of a liquidy. But, like, it's not as liquidy and not like the one that I was just playing with. Like, you can do stuff with it. Take it, like, out of container. Like, you just need to, like, play with it. And all that. It's not that bad. I rate this a 5 out of 10. Because, like, it's not that bad. But it's bad. So, like, it's slime. But, like, yeah. Now I know not to use slime that was from stuff different, like, already colored slime. To use a clear slime. I'm back playing with the big one again. Because, yeah. Did I ever make an hour-long video? I don't think so. On my next video. So, I'm going to post every Tuesdays and Thursdays and every other weekend. So yeah. So, like, this weekend I'm going to post. Next weekend I'm not. Because I need to post more, like, often. Wait, guys, comment down below if I should start doing shout outs. I want to see how many subscribers I have. Yeah. I'm going to try and take this out. Oh. So should I do like big pieces or little pieces at a time? You're going to need... Not even half of it can fit my hand. I need it just like all in one little thing. We're going to try and get out as much as I can in both hands, not one. But without it, like, being connected to, like, a string. This ain't even, like, half of it. I will show you. Just, like, don't want it falling back in the container because, like, I'm going to show you how much is in the container. Okay. It's starting to fall back in. I told you. Once I let go of a piece, it's all going to fall back in. That much. It's starting to fall back in. But it's like falling out the container and everything. So this one, I'm going to like try and get the most little piece of slime as possible. No, we're going to try and get like a little plus like a big piece. So that much, like I can play with. So, yeah, I think that's gonna be all for this video. We're gonna let it get to 14, so we're gonna stop on that. Okay, I hope you like this video, and yeah, so you should subscribe, turn on your post notifications for you not to miss any of my videos, and like this video. Bye guys. Mwah! Do all that I say. And comment down below which your favorite slime you have. Bye guys. Mwah!